Hey guys, and welcome back to VolatilityTV here. I just wanted to do a quick video here showing you guys my profits for today. Today is August 13, 2020, and as you can see on your screen right there, $248.19, just absolutely amazing. It's crazy. Today was just so insane. As you can see the chart right here, we had this huge push up and then a reversal coming right back down. So let's get into the video. So usually, I trade Amazon, so AMZN is the ticker symbol, and we can see in the morning time right here, usually like I say in my past videos, you don't have to necessarily have this huge pullback, but we had this slight pullback and then the buying pressure start coming. So I got in at 31.93. And as you can totally see, we ended the day on 31.61. So even if I held throughout the day, I would have probably lost money. But again, my strategy is just, that's what I do. I usually just scalp trade and I'm just more comfortable like that. And just want to point out that I increased my share size today. It's usually I trade 10 shares, but today, since the market, the futures I should say was ripping this morning, I decided to scale up a little bit, and that's what I'll probably be doing in the near future. So I just wanted to point that out there for you. So let's see, I got in my first trade here at 31.93. I waited for it to be above the EMA line, like I usually stress in all of my videos. Make sure you trade something that's actually uptrending here and above the EMA line. So I took my first trade. I did a total of 8 trades today, and we can definitely see that, there was a nice push up in the morning up until around 10:30 or so, 10:30, 10:40. And then we had this huge, gap down. And then I just capitalized right here on the bounce on the VWAP right here on this line right here. There was a nice bounce, and then I took quick profit right here, nothing too crazy. And then we had this huge selling off going all the way down. And again, as a skillful trader, so usually you wouldn't trade throughout the entire day. So today I decided that I can actually test out my strategy just to make sure it works. And as you can see right here, every time we had this nice bounce, wait until it goes above the EMA line. Then you get in, then you get out. For this trade here specifically, it was supposed to be 15 shares, but for some reason Thinkorswim only locked me in for 6 shares, and that's fine as long as you were able to get in and get out. Instead of, imagine if I had got in here and then it didn't sell, I would have been lower at that time, or I would have had to wait a little bit longer to get out of my trade. So usually what I'm trying to stress is that once you have a working strategy for you, you can just go with that until you understand the process, and then later on you can keep scaling up. So just wanted to point that out. So a total of 8 trades today, 15 shares each, and yeah, we came out $248 on the day. I'm just absolutely amazing. It's just so amazing for today. If you even traded any stocks prior to 10:30, you would have definitely made money. Let me know in the comment section down below, how did you guys end up doing today? Did you guys end up trading for the entire day? Were able to lock in profits before 10:30? Even if we take a look here at Tesla, we can see that we had this huge nice gap up right here, a sell-off like I usually point out in the morning. So we had this sell-off, and then you wait for it to bounce, and then we had this huge, this is just absolutely amazing. So if you made money on Tesla today, just congratulations to you. And then if we take a look here at /NQ, we can see that the overall market was ripping this morning. It was just absolutely insane. It's just crazy. So how are you guys doing in the market? Are you guys actually doing well so far? Are you in the green? Hopefully you are, and maybe you're picking up tips and tricks from my trades here that I usually do. And yeah, just let me know in the comment section if you have any questions or anything. So that's pretty much my video for today. And yeah, thanks for watching, and let me know if you like this video, if you smash that like button, the thumbs up, man, all that good stuff, man. You know what to do. Subscribe, all that notification bell, all that good stuff, man. You know what to do. This is YouTube, man. You know what to do. Peace.